JaiChanellies, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And today I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know before you get knotless box braids. Let's get right into it. Today is August 5th, and as of today, I have had these braids in my hair for a month. This is what my hair is looking like after one full month of wear. And I will give you a 360. I have worn these braids for an entire month, only touching up the front of my head after the 2-week marker, okay? So a couple of things I absolutely need to let you know. Number one, this goddess situation was cute in theory. I absolutely hate how these ends wore. I use free tress deep twist hair in the length 22. Although I love how long my length is, I absolutely hate how this hair wore. It literally looks rat-tat-tatted. It didn't take long for it to look bad. So would I do the goddess method again? Maybe. Would I use this same type of hair? Absolutely not. I would try a different brand of hair and see if I can get better results, just because I have tried everything from putting mousse on my ends to putting oil on my ends to putting water on my ends. Nothing made them stay. Hey bro, chill out. Now let's get really close so y'all can see what my natural hair is looking like after 1 month. Let's take one of the braids that I did redo at the 2-week marker. Now let's look at a braid that is a full month old. So you can see a very clear difference between my 4-week-old braids and my 2-week-old braids. Obviously the 2-week-old they could still go, okay? The 4-week-old are looking a little I did wash my hair with shampoo, conditioner, rinse out conditioner, and things of the sort, just to cleanse my scalp, and also because I know that I'm taking these down pretty soon. So my hair has been doused in water, and that is why you have some of these braids where literally the hair is not even in the braid anymore. Because once you add moisture to these braids, your hair is going to start to curl up. And once it curls up, it's going to curl out of that braid, okay? I use 3 tools overall. The first being this olive oil mousse. And I use this as soon as I install the braids. But I also use it whenever my hair is feeling kind of dry. And this is all I do. I essentially spray the mousse on there and rake it down the length of my braids like that, and immediately put a scarf on, okay? It is really important that you immediately put a scarf on after you use mousse, because mousse has water in it, which means that it can act as a moisturizer, which also can mean that it can curl your hair up. So if you're using mousse, you want to make sure you're laying that down immediately so your hair can essentially adhere to whatever shape you want it to take. Another tool or product that I use is this Cantu Super Shine Hair Silk, and essentially what I use this for is to add shine to my braids, okay? So this is what I use on the ends to try to make them shiny, also just down the length of my hair. This product smells amazing, and it does have a kind of like slippery feel, but again, this is just to make my hair feel and look shiny. The final product that I use while maintaining these braids is my Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend, and this is what I use to essentially maintain my scalp moisture. So I would just take it, put it in my scalp like so, and then using the palms of my fingertips, I would just massage it into my hair. Can these last as long as your traditional box braids? I say yes, however with more maintenance. Kind of just depends on how long you want to stretch it. So for example, I keep my regular braids in for about a month. I kept these braids in for about a month. Do they look the same at the root? Absolutely not. I'm a lot more grown out with these knotless box braids than I would with my traditional box braids. My hair is coming out a lot more than it would with my traditional box braids. And that is because you have to remember, when you do knotless box braids, you're matching the thickness of the synthetic hair to the thickness of your natural hair, okay? So this is essentially the same thickness, which means it's a lot easier for your hair to pop out. Whereas when you do traditional box braids, you can use a lot more synthetic hair for a smaller section of your hair and do the tucking method so that your hair is completely covered. You can stretch them as far as traditional braids, but they won't look the same as traditional braids. What are some other things you want to know about box braids? Oh, my sister's wearing knotless box braids right now. Is she gonna come in the camera? So this is what her hair looks like. She got the knotless going on, and again, we have the same hairstyle essentially because I copied her. So this is my little sister, Kirsten. You've seen her before if you watch my Transforming My Sister Into Me video. But this is what her knotless braids look like. If you want to see more of what her hair looks like, you gotta go follow me on Jaila's hair so you can see the pictures, okay? But yeah, her braids are a lot bigger than mine. Just FYI, I have 99 braids in my hair. Kirsten has 70 braids in her hair, okay? So again, hers are a lot bigger. If you want to do a side-by-side comparison of our sizes, there you go. So I can't think of any other questions that you might have. The only other thing I'm about to do is, so I'm getting ready to take these braids out pretty soon, y'all. If not tonight, tomorrow. So I figured for my last moments with these braids, I would see how they looked in a bob. Alrighty then, let's see if these will actually cut. Okay, snip, snip. This is what we look like right now. I literally just chopped off the ends of my knotless box braids. But yeah, this is how you stretch your knotless box braids for one more day, okay? So I'm probably gonna wear this to work and then actually take out my hair tomorrow so that technically I've worn these braids for a full month. So that's all I have for you all. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.